Hello everyone, this is Max. Today we are going to solve valid anagram. Given two strings, S and T, write a function to determine if T is an anagram of S. So let's see the definition of anagram. A word, phrase, or name formed by rearranging the letters of another, such as this, and formed from this. So just changing the position of each letter. That's it. So we have to remember how many letters we encounter, right? So we should use a hash map, right? And we just call it counter. Okay. And first we have to check whether or not the length is the same. If it's not the same, we just return false because it is impossible to be the same. Later on, we just use one for loop to increment and decrement both. Okay, for example, I start position from the first one, right? A. So A, if we encounter A from this letter, S, we just encounter 1. From this, we just use minus. Okay, so the first one is N, so we use minus. N is -1. Later on, N, we encounter N here, we just +1, so right now it's 0. And then this one, A, -1, so A is 0. A +1, G -1, G +1, A -1, 0. Just keep add and subtract. Okay, R +1. This one R -1, 0. A +1, A -1, right? M 2 is +1 and -1, so M is 0. And later on, we use another for loop to check whether or not all the letters is 0. The value is 0, right? If all the values are 0, then it's an anagram. Otherwise, it's false. It's not an anagram. Okay, let's write the code. Max profit. No, let me copy the starting code here. So first, we have to check the length of each string. If length S is not equal to length of T, should return false. And then we have to create a counter. It's a map. Maybe we just call it counter. And it's a hash table. And we will use run here. Run means Unicode, okay, in Golang. Run means Unicode count point because we want to make sure we also, if the input contains Unicode characters, okay. And the value is the counter. Okay. So for I from 0. If from S or T is no difference because they are the same length, because we check here, already check the length here. I++, counter, then the key, right? So we have to change SI for S we will use plus, right? Plus. And for the T we use minus, just like we did in here. And I force transform this into a rule. And later on we just check. Key is not important. We need to check the count from the map, hash map, range, counter. If count is not equal to 0, we just return false. Otherwise, we just return true. true. Okay. Then let's see. Run code. Okay. And I also include a special character. Okay, pass. And in the end, let's evaluate the complexity. Okay. Because we only use one for loop, so the complexity, time complexity, just the length of the character. So it's all n, okay. And the space complexity is all of n also, because we created a counter, right, to store each character, each letter. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you.